The Supreme Court has approved the redevelopment of the Central Vista project. The Supreme Court has said that exercise of power by the centre is just and it is proper, and modifications in land use master plan stand confirmed. The court has added that approval from the Heritage Conservation Committee is going to be needed when construction work is set to begin. Supreme Court has now directed all the project proponents to get approval from the Heritage Committee. Supreme Court further added that smog towers must be an integral part of the Central Vista project, and also asked the government to use environment-friendly construction material. Urban Affairs Minister Hardeep Singh Puri welcomed the verdict, saying that the government will adhere to the highest standards during construction. Listen in to what the petitioner's lawyer in the case, Sanjay Hegde, had to tell me earlier.
Supreme Court judgment is a 2:1 judgment. Two of the judges have upheld the change of land use. Justice Sanjeev Khanna, who's in the minority, did not approve of the manner in which it was done. Now, just let me explain one thing to you and the viewers. A court which is looking at a question through the administrative law lens is not looking at the merits of the decision. It is not looking at whether Central Vista should be built or not. It is only looking at the process of decision making. So there are various regulatory approvals which were in question here, including the change of land use, including the environment approval, and the decision of the Central Vista Committee on how the project should go ahead. All these decisions and regulatory approvals were in challenge. The majority has upheld them, but given certain directions. The majority also says that there would have to be approval of the Heritage Committee taken at an appropriate stage. That stage has not yet come in. So this is a judgment which is more on administrative law lines, and after having studied the judgment at length later, the next course of action will emerge.
Anisha Mathur is now joining us for the very latest. Anisha, walk our viewers through what the apprehension was earlier. The larger question of whether this is still in public interest or not is a question that was raised by the petitioner's lawyers as well, and what the Supreme Court has said in terms of the green signal, albeit with certain riders in place.
Well, Chaiti, what the issue before the court were, several issues had been raised before the court. The bench has in its judgment raised 16 heads of argument and addressed them. Now, please remember the detailed judgment is not yet out, so we don't know what the court has said about each line of argument. But the main objections were that the land use change by the DDA for the Parliament and the Central Vista project was cleared without due process, that proper clearances from the Central Vista project committee were not there, that a public hearing was not properly conducted, that the environmental clearances were pushed through and not properly considered. They had also raised a concern regarding the heritage structure of several of these buildings, that the approvals, the adequate approvals had not been given. Now, all of these have been, while the court was reading out its judgment, they have said that the approval, the selection of the candidate, the selection of the company for the construction is valid because the due processes were followed. They have said that the public consultation aspect of change in land use was also followed by the online, the kind of the consultation that had taken place. They've said that the change in land use in the master plan was also legal and just and proper. So now the only thing that the court has said is that before any actual construction can begin, the Heritage Conservation Committee has to give its approval. And once construction does begin, the environmental concerns have to be kept in mind. So these are the only two issues that the court has flagged, but everything else the court has approved of. So in effect, the central decks have been cleared for the Central Vista project to begin once the Heritage Conservation Committee gives its approval. So all the paperwork as such the approvals process, etc., has now been upheld by the apex court. Now,
Anisha, have we also managed to figure out what is the plan of action from the side of the petitioners? Because we spoke to the petitioners' lawyers earlier. He said he would have to consult the petitioners and then get back to us. Have we managed to figure out that part?
See, we have spoken to the lawyers for the petitioners, and all of them are saying the same thing, that once the judgment, the detailed judgment is made public, then we will read it. We will figure out what our next plan of action is going to be once we've read the detailed judgment and figured out how the court has addressed all aspects. Because remember, the question of the larger aspect of the whether there is a need for this project, whether there was a merit of this project, etc., had been raised in this argument as well. But the court had said that we are looking at the project clearances and not the merits of the project itself. So the larger question of the heritage structures, the cultural history, the political heritage, etc., that had been raised, saying that the Parliament building and the Central Vista, including the National Archives, etc., we are part of a cultural heritage of the country and should not be affected in this manner without due consultation and without due discussion. We'll have to wait for the judgment copy to see what the court has actually said about all of those. And that is what the petitioners are also saying, that they will figure it out once they read the judgment. Remember, there is also another petition that had been filed challenging the notifications for land use regarding the shifting of the Prime Minister's residence and the Vice President's residence. Those petitions, whether or not they have been addressed in this judgment itself, is also something you'll have to wait and see for the detailed judgment to come out. So a lot of questions still. But as far as the Parliament and Central Secretariat are concerned, decks have been cleared once the Heritage Conservation Committee gives its approval. Back to you.
All right. Thank you, Anisha, for getting us those details right there.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.